Welcome back to another short video, guys, at Gun Traders HQ. Today we'll be going over the complete restoration of a Model 2 Brno Champion 22 LR. Okay guys, the stock here is basically immaculate, as it's been in storage for nearly its whole life and has only had a couple rounds through it, so it hasn't had any chances to be knocked around or anything. But in saying that, considering it has been in storage for such a long time, there was a bit of rust pitted up on the barrel. As you can see, we've removed the rust, but now the bluing has come off. So we're going to degrease the barrel and everything, and then re-blue it. Okay, we're going to get rid of the stock now, so we can focus on the restoration of the barrel. Okay guys, so this is the Birchwood cleaner and degreaser. So this is step one. So we're going to remove all of the grease off of everything here, and it's important to make sure you have gloves, because you don't want any of the chemicals on your hand, or while you're touching it, you don't want your fingerprints staining the barrel. Okay, we're going to start the degreasing process now. So I'm going to open this up. Okay, so now we're going to start the degreasing process. Rub it down lightly. Okay, now that I've put the degreaser on it thoroughly, we're going to take this over to our laundry tub and rinse it thoroughly underneath some cold water. Okay, we're going to use the blue and rust remover now from the same company. Then we're going to go through it on this. I'm going to rub the barrel down with this cotton swab. Okay guys, so now what we've just finished doing the blue and rust remover. Now we're going to go over it with some sandpaper. One thing that's important to remember, never go along the barrel like this. Never do this. Always go along with the barrel, otherwise you'll leave circular marks and scratches that you'll never get out. So now you're going to want to lightly go along with it until it's all grey. So now we're just putting some more of the blue and rust remover on, just so that it digs in deep to the metal, so that we can sand all of this extra gunk off of the barrel. Okay, so now that we've got majority of the rust, you can see that it's now revealing the Brno logo, so which is what you want. Okay, we've just used the blue and rust remover. Now we're going to go over it once more with the cleaner and degreaser. So now I'm just going to rub that along there, nice and thoroughly. There you go. It's fully cleaned and degreased. So now we're going to go rinse it off in the laundry tub once again. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like now after the preparation for the bluing. It's very shiny and it's all ready to be blued. So we're going to leave it now to sit, and then we'll come back to you when we're bluing it. Okay guys, we're going to start the bluing process now. We're using the Birchwood Perma Blue. When bluing your rifle barrel, make sure you have an adequate spread and only take 60 seconds to do this, otherwise you could end up impacting the finish. So I'm going to start now. Okay, this is already looking really good, but now we're going to do a second coat and then rinse it off, and then we're going to steel wool it. Okay guys, the bluing has been completed. Now we're going to put the rust protection onto the barrel. So as you can see, it looks a lot better than it did beforehand. And now the rust protection should bring the colour back to its original state. Okay, now we're going to leave this overnight so the bluing can cure. And then we'll come back to you guys tomorrow with the reassembly of the rifle. Okay, the bluing is completed. Anything that needed to be re-blued has been done, including the trigger guard and any other components. Now we're going to reassemble it and then show you in its immaculate form. Okay guys, this is the Brno 22 reassembled. For my first time bluing, I would say it came up pretty well. Remember to like and subscribe. Hit me up in the comments about any questions you have about the bluing. Yeah, stay tuned for more.